Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the input methods on your Chromebook keyboard. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the launcher icon down in the bottom left corner of your taskbar, and then go up and select Settings. Now you want to select Device on the left panel here, and then on the right side underneath Device, you want to select where it says Keyboard and Inputs. So just scroll down on this page until you get to Input Settings and select that. And then you can adjust or add input methods by selecting the Add Input Method button there. You can add different keyboards, and then you would locate them on the list and select Add. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.